Today we are going to take up string class and some of the most important methods associated with string class. Uh, yes. Okay. Now there is one more important change in the setting of the class. The class is organized on Ubuntu instead of Windows. This is simply a change for a simple purpose that Java is available on all platforms and all the functionality of Java is available on any platform you choose, whether it is Windows, Mac, or Linux. You get the same functionality from all the operating systems. That is the most important aspect of Java. They call it write it, run anywhere. Write it, run anywhere is the concept they ascribe to Java. You They call it Vora, WORA, Vora, WORA, and WORA. Wait, I don't know why this is not being typed here. Vora for write it, run anywhere, write it once, write once, run anywhere, anywhere. That is the concept called Aura. You just bring it down to some other location. Done. Okay, and text is not being typed through this Zoom app. Therefore, you simply take a note of it. Write it, run anywhere is the concept behind Java. The original design of Java itself embedded this idea that a program written in one particular language on one particular pro platform like Windows, Linux, or Mac is usable on any other platform. Now I am going to edit a simple program. Instead of Notepad, I am using gedit. Gedit is the, sorry, something is happening through the keyboard. Gedit is the equivalent of Notepad for Linux. We are going to write a simple program using scanner class and the mm, terminal. Okay. Mm, Gedit strings.java, strings.java. I'm adding one yes because there is already a class called string. We need not confuse ourselves with the string class available in Java itself. Import java dot util dot scanner. This is for taking input. We will be taking input through scanner class for a little while, whereas we will move on to graphical user interface after a few classes. Therefore, you simply need not use scanner for all the programs. Right now, we are using scanner for taking input. Now, public class strings, and it does not extend anything, implement any interface. Therefore, it is simply class strings. And the usual mantra, public static void main string arg array, string arg array. This is the common entry point for all the programs in Java. Therefore, we have created this entry point. Within this, we take a string input. String x equals, you may say null, you may say anything, or you may initialize to, you may not initialize at all. Then scanner 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 s equals new scanner system dot in. Wow, something is happening in the keyboard. Okay, then x equals s dot next line, s dot next line, and system dot out dot println. We will simply print this line for the time being. Then we will come back. Given string is plus x. This will simply print whatever string has been given as the input. I'll save this right now. I'll go back, compile it, come back. Okay. I'm closing, after saving this, I'm closing gedit. Wait, I don't know why it's not taking. What is it? Okay, something. Wait, the window is not closing of its own. Control Z, BG. Let it go to the background. I'll claim the terminal for the time being. Strings dot Java. Next line. Okay, it has been compiled. Java strings. I run this program using the command Java strings. It should ask me for an input. It is asking for the input, whereas I have forgotten to given one system dot out dot print enter any string. Therefore, it's remaining silent and seeking some input. Hello, how are you? This is the input, and given string is hello, how are you? Yes. Now we go back. Before next line, I provide one system dot out dot print bracket open followed by enter a string. This is the prompt for our input. Because it was remaining blank, we did not know what to do at the time of providing input. Now we come back. Now this is the it's okay. The program is taking some input. What I wish to do is, what are the things we can do on the input given to the program? How can we process the string given to us? The first one is to know how many characters are available in the string. Now for that we have length method. Therefore system dot out dot println, we will say length of plus x plus double quotes is, there is a space because between the string and the word is there should be a space, is, I place a colon, then I close this double quotes, then x dot length bracket open bracket close. Wow, there is some problem with the bracket character, some dust. No problem. Okay, I close the bracket, I come back, then it should print the length of the string. Okay, whereas I give the string, I wish to take a particular character from the string. That is, I have given a string of about 5 or 6 characters length. I wish to take the second character or the third character, and the characters are counted from 0, they are not counted from 1. Therefore, hello, how are you, this is a string we have given. H, the capital H at the beginning will be counted as 0, E will be 1, L will be 2, and another L will be 3, O will be 4. Therefore the counting starts from 0. All the other characters are numbered from 0. Now I wish to know what the character provided at location 4 or index number 4 was. That is actually the fifth character, whereas I'm taking it with the index value of 4, one less, because I start my counting with 0. System dot out dot println character at index 4. I place this, then plus x dot char at 4. I close this, then oh, I have forgotten to close one more bracket and some characters are popping up. I close it, then I come back. Then I wish to make the string completely lowercase. System.out.println x plus double quotes in lowercase is plus x dot to lowercase to lowercase. Wow. Something. I don't know what's that. lower case, bracket open, bracket close, closed. I don't know why Zoom says it's ready right now. It has been already running. It's all okay. Then system.out.println. I wish to make all the characters to uppercase. I wish to convert all the characters to uppercase. Then X in uppercase is. Then X dot to uppercase. Done. Bracket close, bracket close. Two brackets are to be closed, and closing the bracket produces some unwanted extra input. Okay, then uh, to lowercase to uppercase, then I may split the string. I may split the string using some specific character. Maybe hello, how are you? We wish to split the string wherever space occurs. Okay, then string y string. Sorry, there is some problem. There is some problem with the keyboard. String y array equals x dot split bracket open space within double quote. I type a space whereas it's typed within a double quote. It means split the string wherever space occurs. Now I wish to know the second part. Here also the counting starts from index 0. It means hello, how are you, will have hello hello comma will be the first part, and it will have the index of 0. How will be index 1, r will be index 2, u will be index 4. Therefore I wish to know what part will be occurring at location 2, which is r. Okay, system dot out dot println the second word, the word at index 2 is y of 2. Y of 2. I close bracket, then save it. Now I would like to compile this program using the same previous command, javasync strings.java. There is no error. It compiles Java strings, enter a string. I enter the same string. Whoa, it's making some, creating some problem. Hello, how? Maybe who is creating some problem. All the characters. How are you? Wow, are you? Wow, this who is getting pressed multiple times. How are you? Enter. Okay, given string is hello, how are you? There is no problem in this. And the number of characters, wait, I don't know why all this is happening. How are you? Wait, it goes to the number of characters here is 19, and the character at index 4 is O because it is the fifth character. Our counting starts from 0, therefore the character at index 4 is O, and the entire string converted to lowercase is given here. Hello, how are you? And the entire string converted to uppercase is given here, and we split the string and take the string as an array. The square bracket at y, this one, this y square bracket, I have added a square bracket to y because it indicates that we are going to store an array in y. Instead of a single variable, we are going to store an array of variables. That is the reason why we have added square bracket along with the character y in string declaration. String y array equals x dot split double quotes space double quotes. We cut the string wherever space occurred. Therefore, the character, the word at index 2 was R. Done. These were the things we have done today. We will close it with this. We will come back to the second part of string class later. You simply practice these things, and there are several other methods available in string class. You try to work with them at your leisure. We'll be coming back to a bit more, what is it, a bit more complicated methods of string class in the next class. Then we will go to math class. After math class, we will begin building graphical user interfaces.